Hello everyone, myself Ruchi Patira, Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department at World College of Technology and Management. In today's video, I am going to discuss the most fundamental thing in data science, that is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and data science. In this, I am going to discuss what exactly an artificial intelligence is, what exactly machine learning is, what is deep learning, and how we use data science particularly using in these technique and work. So let's start with artificial intelligence. Consider this Venn diagram of AI. Artificial intelligence comprises two words, artificial and intelligence. The word artificial means man-made and intelligence means thinking power. So the artificial intelligence means man-made thinking power. It enables the computer or machine to think. Remember guys, whatever I am talking about AI over here is your final destination or final goal. Basically, you are creating an AI application. Now, some examples of AI applications are Netflix, online shopping sites, self-driving car. Let's take an example of Netflix. Hope you guys see a lot of movie in Netflix. When you see a movie in Netflix, let's say action movie, comedy movie, then there is a functionality which we call recommendation system. And what does Netflix did with this recommendation system? It recommends a lot of movie of your choice to you. So basically here recommendation system is an AI application. Some other examples of AI applications are online shopping sites, self-driving car and so on. So an application which consists machine learning technique, deep learning is an AI application. So if you are working as a machine learning engineer, you are using deep learning techniques or concept, you are working as a data scientist, at the end you are creating an AI application. So next move on, machine learning. Whenever I talk about the machine learning, it is the subset of AI. It provides us some statistical tools to explore and understand about that particular data. Three different approaches of machine learning are supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning and reinforcement or semi-supervised machine learning. Let's discuss these three approaches one by one. First, supervised machine learning. In supervised machine learning, we have labeled data. Means in our input data set, we have input as well as output. With the help of past data or previous data, we are trying to predict the future, or we are doing the prediction of future. So let's take an example of supervised machine learning. Consider our data set with two features, let's say height and weight. Using these two features, we have to find out whether a particular person falls in an obese category or in fit category. So in supervised machine learning model, we with the help of previous or past data and we create a supervised machine learning model. Next is unsupervised machine learning. In unsupervised machine learning, we have unlabeled data. Means here our data set has no output. We generally solve clustering type of problem using unsupervised machine learning. What clustering means is, on the basis of similarity, we try to group similar type of data in a similar type of data set. There are three type of clustering algorithms: k-mean clustering, hierarchical clustering and DB-scan clustering. Third one is reinforcement learning or semi-supervised machine learning. In reinforcement or semi-supervised machine learning, we have labeled as well as unlabeled data. So on the basis of past data, machine slowly try to learn itself. Then next move on deep learning. Deep learning is again the subset of machine learning. Now question arises, why deep learning got created? What scientists thought is that, or what scientists tried to do is to make a machine learn same we human try to learn things with the help of our human mind. So basically deep learning concept, we try to mimic human brain, how actually human learn the concept. Similarly, we are creating model over here which is learning those things. So in deep learning, we'll create an architecture called multi-neural network architecture. So basically we create multi-neural network architecture to create deep learning architecture. Now there are three techniques which we generally use in deep learning are ANN, artificial neural network, CNN, convolutional neural network, RNN, recurrent neural network. Now when we use which type of technique, it depends on our data set. And now suppose in our problem our data set is in form of images, then we'll use CNN, concurrent neural network. And if our input data says in the form of time series data, then we'll use recurrent neural network. Question arises, where the data science fit into this. So this is the Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram of data science. Data science is a technique which try to apply all these techniques, machine learning, deep learning, and apart from this, it also uses some mathematical tools like statistics, probability, linear algebra, differential calculus, and many more. So if you are working as a data scientist, you work on deep learning techniques, machine learning techniques, and based on your use case, you can use suitable mathematical tool. That's all about the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Hope you guys understand this concept in this video. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.